Alright, this is West Shore Honda. This is the line that was full of sludge. Got some running water through here. Just want to check the condition of the pipe after we jetted it. Trying to make sure that all that big monster chunks of sludge is gone out of here. I'm just checking my work, going that way, because this is where we had all that sludge. I want to make sure it's all gone.
Damn. That's going.
This is the line that was full of sludge when we first got here. So I just want to make sure I can get all the way to that combo and there's no sludge. So what I want to do now is come there up to here, because I know if I'm using the same head coming from the car wash all the way to here, all our pipes are going to look like this.
Are you videoing this?
Yes, this is recorded now. So this is post jetting.
Okay.
This is the line that was full of sludge when we first got here. So we're coming up out of the clean out now, and this is right here next to the Interceptor.